Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to do a product review. So I was contacted by an Amazon seller who sells the brand Slashome, and Slashome sells essential oils and scented candles, from what I understand. I'm not sure if they sell anything else, but I know they sell those for sure. And they offered me the opportunity to choose one product out of, I think, 3 different ones, and I actually chose this Nighty Night product here. This contains 8 bottles of essential oils, 0.34 fluid ounces in each. And before I get into this, I'm going to read off a little list of some notes that I wrote down as I went on the Amazon site and checked some things out. So let's see, this product has no artificial colors, no parabens, sulfates, and is alcohol-free. They are made from pure plant-based ingredients and have a natural aroma. They have rich and potent scents, which means they're probably going to last a long time. Oh, the very next thing is they have a long-lasting fragrance. You can use these to add to candles, sprays, massage oils, baths, spray on your linens, and a variety of other uses. If you decide to use this in a diffuser, which I would probably use it in a diffuser, it does cover up to a 300-foot area and lasts about 8 hours in the diffuser. Currently, this product is on sale for $16.99. The regular price is $18.99. Those are the items that I picked up from the website from the ad there. But it comes in a really lovely box here. And on the back, okay, you get 8 bottles. It tells you what they are. It gives you a list of precautions. For external use only, do not ingest orally. So yeah, don't be drinking these essential oils, okay? Consult with a healthcare professional before use if pregnant or nursing. Always dilute properly prior to dermal application. Avoid direct contact with skin. So like I said, I have oil that I mix with the essential oils, which dilutes them down, and then you can actually apply it to your skin if you want to. You can use it for massaging. You can use it for like breathing applications if you want to spray it like on your pajamas at nighttime before you go to bed. It says store in a cool, dry place, and it gives the temperature settings there. Avoid light and moisture and keep out of reach of children. They have some suggested uses here: perfumey and scent blending. For example, use in perfumes, scented candles, and soaps. Home care and fragrancing for cleaning products, room sprays, laundry fresheners, linen sprays. And aromatherapy diffusion, used in an aroma diffuser. Okay, and then it talks about some things that I've already mentioned to you. So anyway, it comes in this nice box. It's a very sturdy, beautiful box. And you do get 8 oils here. You'll notice there's some oil there. I had already opened up the bottles, and I guess I didn't close a couple of them well enough. I have actually not used these yet, but I have opened them and smelled them all, and they all have awesome scents. You can see how beautiful that presents with the pretty colors on the bottles. And you'll notice that the bottles are black. Okay. So it's really important, or actually they could be dark brown, but they look black. It's really important to store your essential oils in dark containers because that helps to preserve the potency of the extracts that are in the oils. Okay, sorry, I got a phone call and it interrupted my video. So anyway, I am going to open all these and give them a little sniff and try to tell you what they smell like. It's kind of hard because, you know, you can't smell what I'm smelling, and I may not describe it the same way someone else does. But this one is called Dream Sweetly. And it actually has a sweet smell to it. I can smell some fruit hints in here. So that one's really nice. Okay, and then they're packed in here nicely. That's why I'm using the hook here to get them out. This one is called Warm Embrace. And to me, it kind of has like a little bit of a menthol smell to it, but not an overpowering menthol. This one is called Lullaby. It smells good, but I don't know how to describe this one. I'm not really sure. It's got scents in it that I'm not familiar with. And by the way, I do sometimes have trouble sleeping at night, probably because I'm getting older, and that happens to people when they get older. So usually I use like lavender sprayed on my pillows to kind of lull me to sleep a little bit. And so I'm anxious to try out these lullaby type ones. This one is called Rest Well. This one's got kind of a I don't know how to describe it other than a bright scent. I'm not really sure if that's a good way to describe it, but it does smell good. So far, I'm liking all of them. This one is called Peaceful Night. Another one that I'm not familiar with. I wish they had on here what plant bases they were using in here. That would be helpful. It does smell good. I just don't know how to describe it. Sorry. Moonlight. This one kind of has a undertone of like a woodsy undertone. Okay, let's see what the next one smells like. This one is Sleepy Time. This one actually reminds me of Christmas baking. Okay, it has a sweet bakery kind of a smell to it. And that might not smell that way to you, okay? This one is called Calm Mind. And that one, I'm not sure how to describe either, but I do like that one. So anyway, those are all the scents there. It is a beautiful package. I think it would be perfect for gift giving. I did enjoy all of the scents. I'm anxious to try them out one at a time, just kind of at bedtime, just to relax me and maybe help me to sleep better or longer. And actually, my grandkids are over here off and on, and sometimes they have trouble getting to sleep at night. So I thought that it would be good to choose one of these that might be something a child would like maybe the one that smelled like Christmas baking kind of thing, and spray it on the pillows so that maybe that will help them sleep better too. So anyway, that's what I've got for you today. A review of this Nighty Night Slashome Essential Oil Kit, and I do like them. I'm impressed with the packaging. I am anxious to give them a try, and like I said, I will have the link to this product in the description box below if you're interested. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not getting a kickback. Just the products for free for giving them a review. And believe me, if I was offended by any of these scents, I would let you know that, because I am a very scent-oriented person. I smell a lot of things that most people don't smell, and so I enjoyed smelling these, and I think that says a lot, okay? So that's what I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you decide to give them a try, just drop me a note and let me know. I'd love to know what you think about them too. And so that's what I've got for you, and I guess I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.